this is JM and we are going to cook corned beef. These are the things you will need to cook. A pan, a tool to use to cook. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, canned corned beef, 2 peeled and chopped garlic, 1 medium-sized chopped onion, and so to start with, we will turn up the heat in the stove. Then we wait until it is hot too. So then we will apply the oil. It is now hot enough to apply the oil. Next we have to wait until it's hot again. Then we will add the onion. Then after the onion we will use the garlic. We have to stir it and wait until the onion becomes transparent. Now we will add the corned beef. Pour in the corned beef. We usually take out the white pieces in the corned beef because it is the fat of the beef. You have to stir until the corned beef until all the juices in the corned beef is gone. Once the juice is out, you may now serve it on a plate and give it to others or eat it.